It is clear to know that people would rather watch a video than read a blog post. From our research, 59% of executives said they would rather watch a video than read a text. This suggests that video SEO have countless benefits. It increases watch time, broader brand awareness, and more sales leads. Search engines like YouTube and Google use the same fundamentals in their algorithm for video ranking and websites. The focus is on providing users with the very best experience possible, and YouTube video search results has been combined with Google search results to simplify how people search. I'm going to walk you through how you can drive traffic to your YouTube video using YouTube SEO tips and to rank higher in your search. Similarly, you can combine your YouTube SEO and video strategy to help supercharge your marketing and rank higher in the YouTube search. Doing this will not only increase subscribers and watch time, but improve your video traffic and also get your customers' attention. YouTube SEO will help you further down the line with growth. If you're looking to promote your business on YouTube, use these YouTube SEO tips. Do keyword research process for finding and analyzing search results that people entered into search engine. The goal is to get high search term with low competition data. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button to discover more on YouTube SEO and how to optimize your video to rank higher in YouTube search. Here are tips and steps to improve your YouTube SEO and optimize your video to rank higher in YouTube search. 1. Do your keyword research. Keywords are essential in YouTube SEO optimization. YouTube SEO is the process that helps users find your video content on YouTube. It includes using keyword research to optimize playlists. The platform identifies subject of the video, index the content, associate it with user search. Search engine result pages are getting more competitive every day. New competitors, new products, new service. Everyone is fighting for top spots. So finding ways to diversify yourself and your offering is crucial. Keyword research is the process by which you research popular search terms people type into search engines like YouTube and include them strategically in your content so that your content appears higher on a search engine result page. Pick keywords that can get you high search volumes and low competition. Therefore, choose the best keyword that defines your video and has the potential to attract more viewers to your channel. 2. Use keyword in your video title. Understanding the search intent of your audience is the first step. We know that the most common type of search intent includes informational, commercial, navigational, and transactional. So, matching what your video is all about with intent of your audience is important for getting your video visible in search results. Be creative with your video title and be sure to do it naturally. Moreover, make sure to understand why you create your YouTube video and who your primary audience are. For instance, if you're looking to showcase a product review, then use the product's name in the video title and description. It sounds really simple, but there are so many YouTube channels that miss these steps and their videos show up less on YouTube search results. 3. Include the keyword in your video files. YouTube uses this as one of the ranking factors when it comes to showing your video in search results. Use target keywords as the file name of the video you are uploading, and your video will have a better chance of being ranked higher and a better chance of gaining higher search volume. Don't use space between each word, but rather use dash and underscore. YouTube uses this to make sure that videos are relevant. So ensure your file's name is updated before you upload it. 4. Optimize your YouTube video description. One of the most important ranking factors for YouTube SEO is optimizing your video description. Remember that your viewers are there to watch videos and not to read an essay. The text on your video should provide short description information about what your video is all about. YouTube recommends that you put your most important keyword in the first couple of sentences of your video descriptions, and that your description should not be longer than 200 words. This description helps YouTube algorithm to identify the video content. Therefore, you must include keywords that represent the topic covered in the video. Thus, you increase the chances of ranking for those terms. YouTube has great resources on YouTube Creator Studios. These resources is always updated with current information. It has a handy list that guides you through the steps to a successful video description. This includes an overview of your video using natural language, not just a stream of keywords. Insert the most important keywords at the beginning of your description. Pick 1 to 2 main words that describes your video and feature them prominently in both your description and your title. Use keyword tools such as Google Trend and Google Ad Keyword Planner to identify popular keywords and their synonyms. Including these terms can help you to maximize traffic from search. Remove irrelevant words in your description. The reason being that it creates a poor viewing experience and may violate Google's policy. 5. Use video hashtag to drive YouTube search results. Including YouTube tags and hashtags within a video post can improve your YouTube SEO. Tags are descriptive keywords you add to your video to help viewers find your content. Your video title, thumbnail, and descriptions are important metadata for your video discovery. This information helps viewers decide which videos to watch. Your YouTube hashtag helps users find your content that answers their questions. You can add hashtag to your YouTube video description and titles to help viewers find your video when they search for a specific hashtag. Tags helps to drive search as they make keywords trend more visible. Once you add hashtag to your video description, it will be shown above the title of the video and then it becomes hyperlink. 6. Use YouTube tag. It is similar to a hashtag but performs different function. Including YouTube tag within a video or post can improve your YouTube SEO. Tagging your video with trending keyword and phrase will make it more likely to appear in relevant search string. The key is to use keywords that are relevant to your content to tell viewers what your video is all about even before they click on it. This will boost your channel credibility while making it easier for crawlers to identify your content as a key player. 7. Select a video category. When viewers are searching for a particular video with advanced option, they can select the search to show videos from selected category. When uploading your video, try and contextualize your video with categories so that you have a better chance of getting found by audience. YouTube has a varieties of category options to pick from. However, make sure to select a category that suits your YouTube channel. Examples include film and animations, author and vehicle, education, science and technology, and so on. 8. Customize your thumbnail image. Thumbnail can help or hinder your YouTube videos. They are the first things that grab people's attention when they look at your YouTube search results. It allows your audience view a quick snapshot of your video. A good thumbnail can lead to a higher watch time and can have a big influence on your YouTube ranking. Create a thumbnail that grabs people's attention and stand out from the crowd so that your video gets noticed easily. 9. Create transcriptions and captions for the videos. One of the strategies you can adopt so that YouTube will understand what your content is all about is to create transcription and caption. Transcription is the transformation into the text of what the video talks about. You can do this manually on your own or use the YouTube tool that facilitates the work. Add timestamp to the transcript. You can also turn it into caption. They are employed so that users can follow the video even when the voice audio is not activated. It works as accessibility tools for people with hearing impairments. In addition to caption, you can also put the transcript text in the video description to give viewers more information about the video. 10. Add subtitle and closed caption. Using subtitles and closed caption is the best tip for YouTube SEO and to optimize your video to rank higher in YouTube search. Video subtitles are designed to communicate video dialogue for viewers who don't understand the video language. Closed captions are for viewers who can't hear the audio. Similarly, both subtitles and closed caption files contain text of what is said in the video in a transcript form. Make sure the file contains time code for when each bit of text should be displayed through the video so it can match up with speech and other visual elements. Furthermore, the benefit of having a transcript for your video is that it can be picked up by browser search engine. On the video upload screen, you can select your file and video language. 11. Take advantage of end screen and your YouTube cards. If you want your audience to take specific action as a result of watching your video, it is important to give them direction. Tell them directly via a clear call to action. It ensures your viewers complete the correct action instead of missing the shots. It helps ease decision fatigue. You should integrate verbal call to action into your content. You can use the built-in feature in your YouTube like YouTube cards and end screen. YouTube cards are formatted visual notification set up to appear in the upper right corner of your video. The cards are interactive and it encourages users to explore other video links, playlists, and more. You can add up to 5 of them per video. So take advantage of this to prompt viewers to complete desired call to action. Moreover, end screen appears once the viewer has completely watched your video, and they are best used to let viewers know what you want them to do next. It is important to use end screen to ask users to subscribe to your channel, check out your other videos, visit your website, and so forth. Using interactive features like this help boost view time, improve engagement, grow your subscribers list, and raise the search ranking of your video. So use them wisely. 12. Reply to your YouTube comments. Conversational marketing is one of the easiest ways to boost your YouTube SEO with minimal effort. When consumers comment on your video content, make sure to keep engagement level high by replying positively to their comments and answering questions underneath your post. Starting a conversation with your viewers encourages them to keep commenting and engaging on future content. Staying in touch with consumers and building a community within your content will rank in higher subscribers count to your channel and provide viewers with gratification for interacting. Your viewers are your number one tools for SEO success. So keeping them happy is vital to improve your ranking score. 13. Keep close eye on analytics. The only real way to gauge the success of your YouTube SEO strategy is to monitor your analytics closely. It is the best way to figure out what is working for your video and where you need to improve. Thankfully, YouTube comes complete with an excellent built-in analytic function. Here are some essential metrics to know. Watch time, the total overall number of minutes users spend on your content. Impression CTR, the rate at which people decide to check out your video after first seeing it on their homepage. Card CTR, similar to the above but for YouTube card included in your content. Traffic source, how and from where users found their way to your content. Unique viewers, the estimated number of users who view your content over a specified period. Subscribers growth, how has your subscriber count changed in location, individual videos, period, and so forth. Collectively, keeping a close watch on metrics like this will give you an excellent idea of what is resonating with your video and with your audience. If a specific video performs remarkably better or worse than average, consider what makes it different and fine-tune your strategy accordingly. Finally, do your research as you would do with any other piece of content. Focus on creating evergreen video that you can build upon to strengthen your content portfolio. The more evergreen and helpful content you offer users, the more search volume and growth you will get to your business and your YouTube channel. Check the playlist of my video on Make Money Online and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and bye.